Hello our dear subscribers, my name is Yana and I'm a tutor in IT Junior Online Programming School, and today we're gonna continue developing the golf game in App Inventor. We're gonna add restart button, score counting, and the best score. So let's get started. Last time we made it so that if ball hits the hole, then everything disappears from the screen. We may also see it in blocks. When ball 1 edge reached, set canvas 1 visible and horizontal arrangement 1 visible to false. Okay, so I actually suggest you to remove this X tilde and Y tilde because we don't really need this information anymore and it will be useless for player as well, so let's just delete it. Okay, let's connect our phone to the project and we'll see how it works. Okay, we have the field, the ball, the hole, and if ball hits the hole, it moves to another position, and if ball touches the edge, then everything is gone. Okay, and the problem is that we can't restart the game. So let's fix it and let's add button. We'll type restart. Okay, we're gonna add font bold. Let's change it height to 40 pixels, for example, and let's change its shape to rounded and background color to orange. Okay, and also let's put everything in the middle of the screen. So go to screen 1 and set center for align horizontal. Okay, and on my phone I can see it works pretty nice. Let's just hide the button in the beginning of the game and we'll only show it when ball 1 edge reached. We'll set button 1 visible to true. And when button 1 click, we should set canvas 1 visible to true and button 1 visible to false. Okay, let's test it. And before testing, let's also change one thing for canvas 1. Let's change its width to 100%. Okay. And let's test it. Okay, touch the edge, button appears, click on restart. And there is a little problem. When we click restart, ball appears in the same position that it was before everything disappeared, and by that ball appears on the edge of the field. So let's also move it to, for example, the center of the screen. We should set ball 1x and set ball 1y to the middle. Okay, let's take set ball 1x to. To find the center of the screen, we take divide block number 2 because we're gonna divide it in half, and we take canvas width for ball 1x, and we'll do the same thing for ball 1y, but instead of canvas 1 width, we take canvas 1 height. Okay, let's see. Okay, it works. Oh, perfect. Okay, next let's add the score to our game. To do that, I'll go to layout, take table arrangement, because table arrangement is a little bit better when positioning the elements than horizontal arrangement. We change amount of rows to 1. And we'll take 2 labels, label 1, label 2. For label 1, I'll type score, and for label 2, I will put just 0. let's change names of the components as well. Let it be score label. And let this one be score value. Okay, let's change their properties a little bit. So let's add font bold, font size to 20. That's all, yeah. And for score value, the same thing. Okay, great. In blocks, let's create variable score. And let's set it to 0 in the beginning. Then each time when hull collide with, we will increase variable score by 1. So we simply will add 1 to the current value of score. To do that, we take plus, of course. Then we should also take set, global score, combine two blocks together, put 1 here, and we should take the current value of the score. Okay, and right here we will set the value text to global score. And after we restarted the game, we should set global score to 0. And we'll also set the text for score value to 0 to global score. Okay, let's test it. Let's set the specific height for the table arrangement, for example, 30 pixels. Oh yeah, that's better. Okay. It becomes 0 in the beginning. Okay, that works. Oh, actually. Okay, that works good. And the last thing that we're gonna add today is the best score. Okay, let's first add some components for the design. We'll take table arrangement as well. We'll change its height to 30% for now, let's say. Oh, that's probably too much. Okay, and we're gonna put 4 labels in it. Okay. For the first label, type your score. To 0 and the best score. 0 as well for now. Okay, let's change its properties to font bold to 20. That's all, I think. Okay, the same thing here. Okay, yeah, let's make it bigger now. Let's say 20% maybe. Too much again, maybe 15. Okay, that's good, I guess. And this block will be hidden in the beginning, so let's do it in the code. In order not to hide all the elements, we may just hide table arrangement in the code. We go to screen 1 and we say when screen 1 initializes, we set table arrangement to visible. We set table arrangement to visible to false. Okay, let's see. We'll need to restart the project. Let's just change something like here, and then program restarts automatically on our phones. Okay. Yeah, it's just hidden for now, and let's show this component when ball 1 edge reached. Okay, we should also hide it when button 1 click. So we should set table arrangement to visible to false. Okay, works. Okay, now how do we save the best score? The best way is to use some storage component, like TinyDB for example. In database TinyDB, for example, we may set some tags with some values. So in our case, we're gonna store value of the best score. Let's just save value of current score for now, just to see that it works as we want it to work without some additional conditions. So after ball 1 edge reached, we should store value with tag, let's say best is a best score, with value global score, and then we should display the current score and the best score. So using this table, let me just say that was label 3 and that is label 4. Okay. So label 3, it's the current global score. Let's just put it here. And label 4 is the value from the database. Okay, this error escape pop up because my phone is connected to the project and my phone can't understand like what's going on in this line, so it just sent me the errors, but it's okay. And as I said, for label 4 we go to database and we should choose this block called TinyDB1 get value with the tag best. Okay, that's it. Yeah, your score 3, the best score is also 3 for now, so at least it takes the value from the database. And let's just save the global score as the best score only if it's bigger than the current best score. So to do that, we should take if block and we should put only this part instead of if and get everything back. Okay, after if, it goes greater sign, and in the first cell we should put global score. Into second cell we should put the same block as here, called get value. Okay, so now it's supposed to only store the greatest value. Let's see. Okay, my current score is the best score. Let's try with 1 for example. Yeah, it works. So it says your score is 1 and the best score is 5. And I've also forgot to hide the first score label table arrangement 1. So let's put it here. Okay. I'll set it to false. And we should set table arrangement 1 visible to true somewhere here. Okay. Oh, it didn't. Oh, I forgot to change false to true. Okay, sorry. Yep, now it works. 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. Yeah, so it all works perfectly. I hope you liked the project, so don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell below the video so you don't miss our new videos. And please leave the ideas of the projects in App Inventor you'd like to see in comments. So see you in next video. Bye bye!